Hey guys, in this video, I'm showing you what it means when your iPhone says iPhone is findable and whether it's charging or not. Alright, so right now I'm looking at my iPhone screen and I can see this message, iPhone is findable. Now, a lot of people think this means the phone is charging, but that's actually not true. What I'm doing first is checking the screen carefully. I'm noticing there's no battery icon, no charging cable sign, nothing that shows it's charging. My iPhone is not charging right now. Now, what's really happening here is my iPhone is actually powered off, but it still has a tiny bit of battery left. Apple uses this small reserve power so the phone can still be tracked using Find My. So right now, my iPhone is in a low-power, dead state, not fully alive and not charging. Now let me fix this step by step. I'm grabbing my charging cable. Now I'm plugging it into a wall adapter, not my laptop, because wall power is stronger. Now connecting it to my iPhone. At this point, I'm waiting a few seconds, because sometimes the battery is completely drained and it takes time to respond. If my phone still doesn't turn on, now I'm checking the charging port. I'm looking closely. Maybe there's dust or lint blocking it. If I see anything, I'm cleaning it gently. Still nothing? Now I'm doing a force restart. I'm pressing volume up, releasing it, then pressing volume down, releasing it, and now I'm holding the side button. I keep holding and waiting for the Apple logo to appear. And yeah, once the Apple logo shows up, that means my iPhone is finally charging and turning back on. If this helped you, make sure you drop a like, and I'll see you in the next one.